What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Shelby. You guys are my seashells. I just came back from the gym. Today felt like the first time I actually really worked out, and this is the pain that I'm used to. These past couple weeks that I was going, yeah, I wasn't doing shit. I wasn't doing nothing. Today, yeah man, because when we signed up we were supposed to get like a free 40-minute session with a trainer, and yeah man, we definitely work out today. So now I know what to do going forward. I'm not gonna lie, the other weeks I was just kind of pacing myself. I didn't want to just jump into lifting heavily, or I just didn't want to do too much. But now I know I am capable of doing more than I was, so I know that I will not be able to sit on the toilet properly tomorrow. My legs are on fire. So that being said, it was a great day. I love a leg day. I love a leg day. I don't care how much pain I'm in. Give me a leg day over arms any day, over body, over upper body any day. I will cry through the pain. I'm good. But anyways, I have a meeting. I actually had a meeting at 1. I asked to push it back to 1:30. It's now 1:15. I'm gonna just reach me. I say no, mega do a little whoops and do a little quick bed. I didn't even eat, so when I come back from the meeting I will eat, because I don't necessarily want to buy junk food right now. And I should not even be here yapping with you guys. I should be going to get ready. I think my hair still looks decent enough. I'll probably just like touch up my edges or whatever, but the hair can stay. I'm not combing it over. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys with me to the meeting. Yeah, let me just go get ready and come back. Good morning. Y'all see the fit? Y'all know where I'm going. Going to the gym right now. It's Wednesday. I didn't go to the gym yesterday because wasn't feeling it. Slightly was crashing out yesterday. Yeah, I just didn't go. But let me talk to you guys when I get in the car. This keeps the water extremely cold. And the thing is, I don't really like cold water, but by the time I'm ready to drink it, it's not freezing. I'm lying, it actually still is. But it tastes nice when you're working out. Like the cold water actually really tastes nice. The thing is, I don't remember if I'm supposed to be drinking cold water during my workout, or if I'm supposed to be having it room temp. For some reason I think it's supposed to be room temp, but I don't remember. Call Shanita and ask her where the hell she at. Guys, on the can't sponsor my one car mount. Where you at?
Mary?
I'm leaving now.
Mary's mom. Me not care for them shoes.
What? Alright. It's after 12 now. Again, not my ideal time, but I would have wanted to be there, but by right, I'm the one who woke up late. I'm the one who woke up late today, and I almost didn't go because I've just been having not a great start to my week. But we'll talk about that when I come back. I don't even know if I'm ready to bring you guys into the gym and show you the workout that I'm doing, because I'm still trying to perfect my form in what I'm doing. I still am in the beginner zone. Like, I know the workouts to do, but sometimes I need help with my form, or sometimes I feel like I'm not lifting heavy enough, or sometimes, you know, it's just a lot of overthinking right now. So I don't want to do that until it's perfect. But at the same time, it's like, maybe I should bring you guys along the journey when it's not perfect yet, and then you guys will see the growth over time. I don't know what I want to do yet. And the thing is, I don't want to completely flip into this gym girl because I don't know, sometimes I just hate to see, like when I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers and you know them start go to gym, and then all of a sudden gym is the only type of content that they keep posting. I hate to see it. Like, yeah, show me sometimes every now and then, but dear God, every time. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see some of it sometimes. Like, I'm clearly not gonna do it all the time, but I will mention it in almost all of my vlogs, since it's a part of my lifestyle now. So it's not like I'm not gonna hear about it none at all. I'm probably just not gonna show it all the time, you know? Yeah. Anyways, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm back from the gym. I just have a pound of jerk chicken and a festival, and that's gonna be my lunch. Car mode needed. This is gonna be my lunch. Then a little bit later I'm gonna have my protein shake. Breakfast I had 2 boiled eggs. So I don't think I'm doing horrible today. as it relates to eating, because I haven't really been eating for almost a week now, so I need to eat as much and put in as much calories as I can. If I can go over 2,700 calories just for today alone, that would be a little bit good too. Although I don't know if that's a good thing to do. I don't know if, because I missed the previous days, if I should be trying to overcompensate for those days. I don't really know. I'm just tired and I feel like I'm gonna have a nap. I feel like that's what I've been doing a lot these days. Every time I come from the gym, I take a nap, and that nap turns into hours because I don't know how to take a nap. My naps are not, you know, a little cat nap, a little hour or so. My naps are like 3-4 hours, and then I miss half of the day when I should have been doing something else productive. And then I'm like, now I gotta wait till tomorrow. I'm just gonna sit right here in the car and then tap back on. I took a shower and all of that wonderful stuff. I came home and I was on live for a little bit after I ate my food in the car. I wanted to do my lashes. I still want to do the clusters, so I'm going to go and buy some lash glue. Hopefully the pharmacy has the lash glue that I want. Well, actually hair glue. Yeah, maybe buy hair glue, put on the lashes, because I feel like it will hold a little bit longer, and then I see a lot of the cluster girlies saying that they use hair glue, so I'm extremely hot. And really and truly another reason why I'm going is because I'm bored. I'm bored in the house, man. I need to go do something. I need to do something before something to me. Also, I want to touch on something before I leave, right? It's something I have noticed, but yeah, I'm gonna bring it up. So while I was on live, someone was asking, like, why am I always in a bad mood, or why am I always moody in my videos? Fine, I don't have a problem with the question, because damn bitch, you are moody for real. You always moody. But I responded, and then like, why are you gonna go off on me and say, oh, uno influencer, if I hire me, they say uno would answer, but as soon as it's something negative. First of all, I mean, when you ask the question, why am I always moody, I didn't take offense to it, because I know I am moody. The videos where I'm moody, I have all reason to be moody. Uno know me, like the people who know me and watch me a long time, uno know someone not gonna come up here and fake anything. And I don't even show y'all half of the shit that goes wrong. I just be like, okay, I was in a mood, I was in a funk, I'm gonna do this, or I'm not gonna do this, and we move on. Yeah, behave like some sit down on the internet with my rotten mood every day. I don't be doing that. I have no problem with constructive criticism. Criticism, right? What I do have a problem with is when things don't go on the way, or when you don't get the acknowledgement you want, you try to bring down somebody. Uno influencer. Yet still you're the one who's watching my videos to know that I've been moody. I mean, if it bothers you so much, don't watch it. I ain't got no gun to nobody's head saying, you must watch my videos. Protect your peace at all costs, sweetie. If I ever post anything, or if my content bothers you to the point where you're just irritated, spare yourself the trouble. But this also leads to another point where I feel like sometimes the tone in which you guys ask questions, or the tone in which you bring across something, can negatively impact people. Because it's like, imagine I'm going through my day, and if you don't know me, you don't know, so me used to worse than this. Me used to very, very, very miserable. I come a long way. So imagine me being vulnerable enough to open up and show you guys that side of me, while I am getting better mentally and all that stuff, only for somebody I try to bring me down. Me don't like that. It is what it is. No sir. Anyways, this is my channel. I can do whatever the hell I want, because it's AndImShelby, not AndImShelby and friends, not AndImShelby and company, not AndImShelby and associates. It's my channel, and I'm gonna see nobody else complain. Yeah, I come a far way. I've really come a far way, and I'm so proud of myself, because even that alone, I would have crashed out a lot more over that comment, but I didn't, because it's just not that deep. But I just wanted to address it, because I feel like maybe other people might think that way. Be like, damn bitch, you always in a funk, you're always in a mood. Honestly, enough things happen in my life for me in a mood. Like, if you are one of my close friends, or if you're close enough, you really wonder how me I make it out alive at this point, because the amount of things that do happen to me on a day-to-day basis, I don't know how I'm somewhat sane, but here I am. You know, you have to push through one way or the other. Anyways, let's go. took me all of 5 minutes. I was in there, I was sightseeing, and then I just bought a tiny knife because I just want a small knife to use when I'm cutting up stuff. And well, yeah, I'm gonna go up and do my lashes now. Let's see if I have sense or not. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'm about to cook. I'm about to experiment with some curry fish fillet and pumpkin rice, and I'll have some fried ripe plantain on the side. Since my diet's basically saying I need to eat ripe plantain with basically everything. Let's see how we can do. I've never made pumpkin rice before. I made curry fish one time, but I was literally just winging it. So let's see if I can make it better this time. I don't know if I'm gonna film the whole thing here, or maybe I should just include it in a vlog, or if I just want to do a TikTok and then include the TikTok footage. I have no idea what I want to do. Oh, decisions. Let me think about it. Your girl is done cooking. I was on live with you guys. I wanna say hello. Keeping me company and all that stuff, and this is what I need. Alright, I could do a taste test now. Like an actual real taste test. Alright, start off with my fish. Wow, I will say it could use a bit more spice. It's missing some spice. I thought there was spice, but there's not enough spice. You lose some points for that. The fish, may I give you 8 out of 10. I've done better. So may I give 8 out of 10, right? Alright, the rice, no. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. You know why? I don't know. I think certain things not for cook with basmati rice. I think what I use like jasmine rice or like one different parboiled rice if me don't make pumpkin rice. I don't know. I like regular white rice with basmati. But any other dish, I think I prefer a different type of rice. So that's the only reason why I demote it because ripe plantain is ripe plantain. Ripe plantain for me will always get an 8 out of 10 because green plantain is superior. Now, let's try everything together because that's a different taste than everything individually, right? So, meat, carrot, rice, 10 out of 10. Angle that. Yeah, angle that. Like everything individually, them have them flaws, but when everything comes together, clap me. Clap me. Clap me. Thanks. Thank you. I'm gonna finish my food. I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning! It's the next day, and actually today is gonna be a very spontaneous day if I actually go through with everything. So, Shanita called me, so I can come do my nails now. So I go do my nails now. I don't have a style in mind. I don't even know. I don't know more on it, but the nails are going to be done. And I also want a navel piercing. Yeah. Let's just do it. Like, this is what I look like without a navel piercing, and I feel like I would look so good with a navel piercing. So we're gonna get that today, and then later on I'm gonna go to the gym. Should have gone already, but since Shanita called me now to do my nails, I'm gonna do my nails because I was gonna go to the gym. But yeah, let's just go. If I pack some of the food what I cooked last night, come give her. So I told y'all, somebody was gonna eat it. Somebody was gonna eat it. Alright guys, so I got my nails done. The black is back. I love them. I have not had black nails in so long. Like, this is just so me. So me. So, oh my god. Guys, I cannot keep doing this. Oh my god. And I'm still putting it back there. Alright, no. Let's just go upstairs. I'm at Jordy. And let's just go up there and see if we can get this belly button pierced. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm doing it.
I'm doing it, Savannah.
I'm doing it. So, this is what she looks like before.
Ask you a few questions, darling. Do you have any shellfish allergies?
Shellfish?
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna use iodine to clean your stomach, that's why.
Oh, okay. Come on. Huh? What's going on?
Alrighty, so you'll be standing. I want you to stand right in front of my black chair.
Okay. Alright.
Alrighty.
You're trying to lean in. Come back.
You know what? I can't even really say what they're on my mind. Because it's just gonna leave a little bit of a hue. It's gonna fade in just a few, but it's just a really good antiseptic to ensure that everything's clean.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I think it's a good idea because this looks like a hernia surgery.
You're fine. So we're not really going anywhere near. I can see where like you have that little outfit, right? So I'm not going anywhere near there, right? So hence here's why I go up further.
Okay.
So you don't necessarily have that flap. So I'm pretty much going to create that flap for you. And just like.
Till now we reject normally.
I'm gonna make it thick enough. Even though migration is kind of like a skin type, I can only just do my best as requested.
Okay.
I want you to breathe only oxygen. No, my name is Matthew. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Mighty God!
That's not evil.
Ooh!
Alright, come to the stage go for me.
So afraid some people understand.
That's okay.
Well, that felt better than my nose piercing, so.
I told you. Alright, there we go. I want you to look at it. Does it look straight?
I have nose piercing. Wow. Yeah, it does. But not trying to leave, so there's nothing much you can do about that. Yeah. Okay, how long am I gonna feel this thing for?
You can feel it for a couple of hours, and that's really just it. Alright.
And what do I clean it with?
And you're gonna clean it with saline solution. You can use sea salt and water.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really just it. So I can see no blood, nothing.
Wow. Just me on a random Friday getting a piercing. I literally just woke up and said, hey, I'm gonna get a piercing.
Mood.
Alright guys, another successful day at the gym that y'all didn't see.
Right? Because it's big vlog.
We have Shanita in the cut and we have Anna in the cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Successful leg day. I'm feeling pumped! And I fight for our life. Because today was our tester day. This is what my liver looks like.
Guys, good morning.
Morning. Hey guys, it's the next. Ooh, wow. Don't mind the fan breeze in the back. I'm not turning it off because I'm hot. I'm supposed to be going to Ochi. I'm supposed to be going to a little party tonight. Don't know if I'm gonna go. I might just stay in and sleep. But me I go Ochi same way. And I've been waiting on my package for the longest. And I was getting mad, but I'm not mad anymore. Remember the ones that had delayed from Shein from 19 all along? Like they just kept delaying. So I finally got it. One of them is an outfit that I've been been waiting on. I hope it look good, but I'm not gonna show you right now. But then I got some other little stuff. Like, remember I was telling you, one little lip liner, them would have sent come give me. I'm happy that they ended up grouping all of the stuff together. What is this? Oh, the pillow! I didn't know this was here. Oh, cool. Okay, so this was one that was, it kept on delaying. I never thought that I was actually going to even get it get it again. Just gotta use my nails. This is a pillow for this couch, actually. So tying in with my maximalism that I have going on in here. I'm excited. There we go. It's a lot flatter than I expected. Boy, Sheena can disappoint me, sir. From what you know, from Eternal Look Marketplace, I can't do studio. Maybe it will fluff up. It's cute, but it's not what I wanted. I needed it to be fluffier. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Maybe it'll fluff up. Oh! So it's like a big smile on this side. And then she's sleeping on this side. That's so cute. I wanted it to go just like here, but it's so floppy. I needed it to be like stiff and stand up, but it's just like... Ooh. It's good for the vibe. Moving on. I know this is a lip liner. Ta-da! It's like a lipstick and lip liner combo. I don't know. I think I would have ordered a different color instead, because this one is just brown and I want to start experimenting with more lip combos other than brown. Ooh, tea! She's tea! Liners on this end, and then you have the lipstick on this end. I also got some coasters. I know I have posters. They may look smaller than expected though. And then some outfits. So when I want to put down my cups on my little side table right here or on the dining table, these are what I'm gonna use. Ah! They're like mini vinyl records. They're so cute. I love them. They're adorable. I absolutely love them. These are so cute. That's all that I will show you guys. And now I'm just waiting to be picked up so I can get the heck on out of here. I don't think I have anything more from Shein to collect. This is it. This is all. This is very disappointing though. I'm not gonna lie. I expected a lot more from this. Hold on. Let me see. So these are the two that I just fluffed. Let me see if I'm tripping or it actually works. Okay. It look a little bigger though, to me. It look a little bigger to me still. And just like that, y'all, I'm at OG. Let me give you guys a quick villa tour. This is a nice room. I like it. This is watch out, walk-in closet. Very nice. Got a little lamp. Yeah.
It's not too much, man.
Well, you have GRWM, want to see? Alright guys, so it's currently 9:26 p.m. So then probably want to leave out like by 12. I'm the only girl present right now. So I'm gonna say if I take long, everybody's gonna be pissed. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I have an outfit. It's okay, honestly. It's alright. It's not my best, but I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair, and I also need to start my makeup. So I think I just wanna do my makeup now and get it all the way so I don't have to be rushing to do it. I don't have my tripod. I really wish I followed my gut and I brought my tripod so I could at least film, because like I wanted to film. Now I fear that I might just go on live instead and do my makeup. I mean, I could do that, but I wanted to film, you know, not a tripod I'm gonna have. Maybe I should start on the hair. I found a tripod. Not my tripod. It literally is broken. I'm gonna catch up somewhere. I low-key want to wear my hair down, but no, I've been neglecting my hair so bad. That's why I'm gonna stop break, because I keep mistreating it. Like the amount of hair that fell out today is something that needs to be questioned. Like, look at that. Just from that alone. I don't normally like doing my hair first. I always like to do my hair last. I have this little cheap flat iron because the big flat iron that I normally use, I lent it to Shanita and I totally forgot that I lent it to her. And the other flat iron that I normally use was at the young man yard. And my other flat iron that I use in case I don't have those two, they mash up. So this is the only one I have left right now. So I'm just gonna straighten out the ends and then the final look will be something different. Yeah, the hair definitely left a catch up. Like this flat iron is like sticking. You see that it's not like gliding through like it normally would.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can't wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love.
How far I am, the lighting is not the best in here to be honest, and my nose contour is a little bit wide, but and I want to see it, my camera to fix it. It is what it is. It's gonna look good in the end when y'all can't see the imperfections. I ain't gonna take no pictures. I don't give a damn about flashback. Yeah, a lot to unpack here, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Where there's a mother man, I can never get a decent video. You just know that.
Won't you be my blood, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never.
So I'm gonna put this in a bun, but not right now. I'm gonna wait until I actually put on my clothes. But this is the hairstyle. I'm gonna go with little no lashes look. I think it's cute. Got a tiny little wing, nude lip. Yeah, she's tea. She's tea. She's tea. So I actually got ready and everything. You know, I bought my clothes. It kind of look like Hank Bunny right now, but I'm going to bed. It's 1 o'clock. I didn't pay another food yet. No. My makeup been done for like 2.5 hours. It's fine. I'm okay with going to sleep. I don't mind. But just I think about how miserable I'm gonna be, like coming back at like 5 a.m. and then if I wake up and know say I have to edit my YouTube video and yeah, nah bro, I'm not interested. And I'm gonna go in with my solar water and take this off. I'm not really mad because I think I was bored and I wanted to do my makeup anyways, so I'm not necessarily mad, and to be honest, this is not the best makeup I have done, so it's okay. This lip combo is cute though. Like when I just did it, I wasn't sure if I liked it because I'm not sure if it really suits me well, or maybe it's the colors I have on why I really love it. I know somebody that wear the blows, people. The blows that I go to like don't mess up. Anyways, yeah, let's just take this off. No, I could bring the get ready with me towel. You see that? Actually, there's not much of a difference. That's it, that's all. And I'm going to bed. It's the best I can get the makeup off tonight. I tried to wash my face a while ago, but yeah, that's it. So it's bedtime. 2 minutes after I start wiping my face like this, they're like, you wipe it off already? And I'm like, yeah, I can go to sleep. And the thing is, I don't even know if we're gonna leave tonight. Like, after them come back, or gonna wait until in the morning. But I guess by the time they come back it will be morning. I have no idea, but I'm going to get my beauty sleep, my good night's rest. I literally packed a whole duffel bag, and I'm glad I did. I'm still glad I did, because just in case, you know. Y'all will see me tomorrow.